In this video, we're going to review how to use the Canva integration within ThingLink. Keep in mind, you are not having a Canva account created for you when using this integration. Rather, you need to already have an existing Canva account with your own personal email address. To use the Canva integration, you're going to want to log into the ThingLink platform and come on over to the left-hand side to select Media and open the Media dashboard. Once in the Media dashboard, locate the folder in which you are going to want to store your Canva content. For me, I'm going to select the Moon folder. From there, I'm going to come back up to the top right-hand corner and select the blue Create button. In the pop-up window, you're going to want to select the first option, which is Image, because that's going to indicate 2D images. And then in the bottom right of this window, we're going to select Design with Canva. By default, you'll see a variety of Canva templates that you can select and begin creating. If you want to create a blank template, or if you want to access existing Canva content within your account, you can come up to the top left and select Create Blank. To demonstrate this, I'm going to select Create Blank, but if you selected one of these templates, it will automatically open Canva's editor within your account, assuming you're already logged in, and you can make modifications as normal. But here, we're going to select Create Blank on the top left. I'm going to select my dimensions or custom dimensions, and then on the bottom right of this pop-up window, we'll select Create Design. You'll see that the Canva logo appears in the center of the screen. Now, I'm already logged in to Canva. If you are not already logged into Canva, it should prompt you to log into your account. And then if you were looking to not create necessarily a new project, but to access an existing one to pull into ThingLink, on the left menu here of this pop-up window, you'll see that there is a projects folder. When you select that projects folder, it'll give you access to all of your existing content and materials. So let's say I wanted to bring this one that says ThingLink's Basics Workshop. If I select that, I'll have access to embed these designs within this new quote-unquote creation. And then once those are embedded, I can then pull them over into ThingLink itself. In case here, I'm just going to leave it like this for simplicity's sake. But once I assume everything's already done, I like how it looks, you'll come on up here to the top right and you'll click Save to ThingLink. So this is preparing our design. It's exporting it as a flattened image, and you'll see it automatically opens ThingLink's Base Media Editor, so I can immediately begin adding tags, modifying settings, and sharing this content. You'll notice that that Canva image or infographic now lives within the parent folder that I selected at the beginning of this process.